Hi, my name is Andrej and I'm the chef consultant, the chef brand, and I'll be showcasing you today how to utilize the shellfish stock with the chicken stock. So our dish is going to be, it's sort of a porridge with some shellfish. So we're using some fresh scallops, we're using some fresh langoustines, we've done some shellfish consomme, and so preparing all, we've got like fresh raw beans, fresh peas, they're going to be blanched, some asparagus, some asparagus spears, and some diced asparagus. Everything's going to be blanched beforehand. So the first steps are going to be, you obviously have to get your mise en place ready. So I've got mine diced asparagus, and so just blanch it for, let's just say, less than a minute. Just blanch them, just give a little bit of a crunch and cook them. So the next step is going to be, we're going to be cooking the porridge. So we're going to be using some barley, some brown basmati rice and some sushi rice. That's all going to be cooked slowly, simmering in a chicken stock. So now as the rice is being cooked, so the porridge, we've got the barley, we've got sushi rice, everything all combined together with the chicken stock. About 40 minutes, you let it rest. It still has a slightly bite to it, but it's still not overcooked, as you can see. Just let it rest on the side before you start assembling the dish. Next concept, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be clarifying our shellfish stock. So one of the shellfish stocks here, we have frozen into a bag. You open it, place it into a muslin, and let it again in the fridge, defrost. But as this will be draining, we'll be basically clarifying. This is the consomme. So we've got some aged vinegar, rice vinegar. So we add that in. Change straight away the color, and tamari into it. And the next step will be having some fresh diverse scallops. Cut through the mussel, cut in, just pull it out so it doesn't break the whole muscles of the scallop. It stays nice, even, firm. So we've got now, the next step is this, the langoustine. So we basically need to put them in a position where we take the heads off. Now been blanched into ice water. So the next step is assembling the dish. We've still got to cook the langoustine, sear them off, and the scallops for the dish.